Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe with Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and first you need to log in to your Squarespace account. Now click on this website button below your desired website. From this left side menu, click on this settings icon, then go to selling, click on payments, and click on this Stripe logo. A new window pops up. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now fill in your Stripe account email address here and click on submit. Unfortunately, I don't have a Stripe account, so I can't continue this tutorial, but I think it's simple. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.